நாம எவ்வளவுதான் குட்டா இருந்தாலும் இந்த உலகம் நம்மள பேட் ஆக்குது. காட்டுறேன்.
Hi everyone, this is Manjusha Radhakrishnan. I am the entertainment editor, Gulf News. Today I'm here with the review of Good, Bad, Ugly. It's a Tamil language gangster drama and it stars Ajit. You know what I love about Ajit is that he's got swagger and style. And this movie taps into it heavily. Ajit Kumar, who plays a rakish gangster in this one, his street name is Dread Dragon. So now you know where this movie is headed. It's got zero logic. But if you like a gangster dressed up in silk shirts, gold chains that would put rappers to shame, then this one is a good pit stop for you because it's got a lot of action, it's got a lot of bombastic one-liners. Learn to face your fears before Ajit actually smashes his brass knuckles into somebody else's face. Now, this is one of the movies where you need to suspend logic. It's colorful, it's wacky, it's zany. You'll enjoy this movie only if you are a true blue fan of Ajit and his swagger. Because this is like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's all style power, all rolled into one, the charisma brought on screen. I have to tell you that I enjoyed watching Ajit do the slow-mo walks, say these bombastic one-liners. But if you are looking for logic, then this is not the movie for you. I also love the fact that Ilaiyaraaja's music was woven into it in a movie that requires you to wear sunglasses. Everything is colorful. All the characters are over the top. Be it Prabhu, be it Arjun Das, the villain, be it Shine Tom Chako, the Malayalam actor, he's seen in actually golden pants and golden shirts. Also watch out for the cameos. There's this interesting one by Simran, who's a co-star from Ajit's earlier blockbusters. She's channeling her inner Uma Thurman, and you can't help but look at the irony of it and just laugh at it. The whole idea of this movie is that you need to commit to the idea of this chaos. And what I have to give it to you in full is that Ajit Kumar does a splendid job, and the players around him, they do a splendid job of just making him look good. Director Adik Ravichandran, who's known for his OTT cinema, loud movies, he commits fully to the chaos. If you're in the mood to watch gangsters go rogue with as much style and sass that they can muster, then this one is for you. But remember, there's absolutely no storyline. Story goes thus that Ajit plays a gangster. He becomes a dad. His wife, played by Trisha, serves him an ultimatum, says either you be a good dad or become a reformed gangster. So he ends up in prison voluntarily because naturally the cops are not good enough to catch him. He's too big for their shoes and therefore he serves time in prison. The son thinks that the father is on a business trip and he waits every birthday for his father, doting dad, to turn up. He's got naturally a bunch of abandonment issues. But then on his 18th birthday, just like how his mum did, he serves his dad an ultimatum. Says that if you don't turn up on my 18th birthday, then make sure that you don't ever see my face again. So what does Ajit do? He manages to reduce the life sentence. He comes out of the prison. He's now a reformed gangster. But then his son gets framed and then the world forces him to become bad again. Some of the dialogues that say that, no matter how much he tries to be good, but the world is so bad that he's forced to be bad, etc., are just laugh out loud funny. It may be unintentional, but I feel the makers are in on the joke as well. So if you're in the mood for a campy, wacky adventure, then this one is for you. But if you're looking for serious storytelling, if you're looking for characters with depth, then this is not your movie. I've gone with 3 out of 5. If you're an Ajit fan, put a ring on this one with brass knuckles and all.